मायावती जी।
Please. Honorable members, I take the opportunity to wish birthday greetings to honorable members of Parliament, Shri V. Vijendra Prasad, please, Shri Ajit Kumar Bhuiya, Shri Parimal Nathwani, whose birthday falls today, and Shri Sant Balbir Singh, whose birthday falls on the 2nd February. Honorable members, Shri V. Vijendra Prasad, nothing is going on record. Please take your place. Shri V. Vijendra Prasad joined the August House in July 2022 and is serving his first term. Shri Vijendra Prasad is a renowned script writer, celebrated for his exceptional storytelling and creative prowess. His engaging and relatable stories often blends rich cultural elements with universal appeal that invokes emotions and thoughts of the audience. His visionary approach and mastery of weaving emotions with grandeur have made him a trailblazer in Indian cinema. Fellow members, Indian entertainment industry has already emerged as a significant source of employment across the country. Honorable members, I would like to invite your attention to an apt statement issued in the year 2023 by the then Honorable Minister of Information and Broadcasting at 55th International Film Festival of India. I quote that with an annual growth of 20%, this industry is hailed as the 5th largest and globalized industry in the world, unquote, which I think really makes a difference in generating employment in the entertainment industry. Shri Vijendra Prasad was married to late Srimati Raja Nandini and is blessed with one son, SS Raja Mauli. Honorable members, Shri Ajit Kumar Bhuiya, journalist and social worker by profession, joined this August House in April 2020 and is serving his first term. Shri Bhuiya, a prominent Assamese writer and journalist, has been associated with the Consultative Committee for the Ministry of Development of Northeastern region. This amply showcases his unwavering commitment to the progress and prosperity of the Northeastern region, a cause close to his heart. Honorable members, his knowledge reservoir of the cultural diversity, traditions and geopolitical activities of northeastern part of the country, who still is actively enriching his knowledge. For recording such deep knowledge, as a guiding memoir, he has authored 9 books focused on the society and policy of Assam. As a journalist, he started his journey as a staff reporter to become the editor-in-chief in Northeast Television, the first satellite channel in Northeast. Honorable members, now birthday wishes to Sri Parimal Nathwani. He is a member of this August House since June 2020 and is serving his 3rd term. His engagement in rural development initiatives in the several villages of Gujarat, spread over 25 districts, has been really remarkable in improving infrastructure and quality of life in rural areas. Besides professional commitments, his passion for conservation of wildlife has been evident through his untiring efforts for the conservation of the Gir lions, instrumental in safeguarding their habitat. While promoting sustainable development in the region, he has also authored books titled Gir Lion, Pride of Gujarat and Jharkhand, Meri Karm Bhumi. Sri Nathwani is married to Srimati Varsha Nathwani and the couple has been blessed with one son, Sri Dhanraj Nathwani. Honorable members, now I take the opportunity to extend advance birthday greetings to Honorable members Sri Sant Balbir Singh, whose birthday falls on the 2nd February, that is tomorrow. Sri Sant Balbir Singh, a spiritual icon, social reformer and environmentalist, has been a member of this August House since July 2022. He has been serving tirelessly for social reform and rendering services for the upliftment of the poor and downtrodden. He has been instrumental in cleaning the rivulet to resolve the problem of water scarcity by establishing Sichewal model. Method to treat and rescue wastewater for agriculture purposes, be it conserving holy rivulet Kali Bean, providing free education to the children of migrants in the state of Punjab, undertaking relief work and to provide food to the displaced masses at the time of natural calamities, and other numerous social awareness campaigns are some of which works to be named. Honourable members, he has been praised as the preacher of a noble mission by former President of India, Honourable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He has been recipient of Padma Shri in the year 2017 and Nirmal Gram Puraskar 2008. On behalf of the House and myself, I extend heartfelt birthday greetings to all of them and wish them to be blessed with good health and happiness. The Union